Surprise often sparks curiosity. Here's a surprising fact. The colors you choose to wear can significantly impact how others perceive you. This is where color theory comes into play. In the realm of fashion, it's not just about what you wear, but how you pair and wear colors. Color theory is an art and science combined, revolving around the concept of complementary and analogous colors. Complementary colors, those opposite each other on the color wheel like blue and orange, can create an exciting and dynamic look when paired together. On the other hand, analogous colors, those next to each other on the color wheel such as blue and green, create a harmonious and calming effect. Starting with neutrals like black, white, gray, and navy is a smart move as they are versatile and pair well with almost any color. They create a perfect canvas for you to introduce different colors and shades into your outfit. Speaking of shades, monochromatic looks are gaining popularity. Wearing different shades of the same color can create a sophisticated, cohesive outfit that gives off a chic vibe. Contrast is another key element in fashion. Mixing light and dark colors, for instance, pairing light-colored pants with a dark shirt, can create an eye-catching contrast. When it comes to patterns, ensure they complement each other. Stripes and plaids can work well together, especially if the scales are different. Balance is vital. If slim-fit pants are your choice for the day, pair them with a slightly looser shirt. This creates a balanced silhouette that is pleasing to the eyes. Accessories such as belts, watches, and shoes can tie an outfit together. For a polished look, match the metals in your accessories. Consider the occasion when choosing your outfit. Casual settings allow for more flexibility, while formal occasions require a more conservative approach. Fit matters. Well-fitted clothing always looks more put together, so pay attention to the fit of your shirts, pants, and jackets. Layering can add depth to your outfit. Depending on the season and climate, layer your clothing accordingly. Don't hesitate to experiment with different color combinations and styles. It's through experimentation that you'll find what suits you best. Take time to understand your personal style and preferences. Whether you prefer a classic, preppy, casual, or edgy look, this understanding will guide your clothing choices. Your choice of shoes can significantly impact your overall look. Choose wisely, ensuring they complement your outfit. Sometimes less is more. A simple, well-coordinated outfit can make a strong statement. Remember, these are general guidelines. Fashion is subjective. Feel free to express your personal style and experiment to find what makes you feel confident and comfortable. In summary, color theory plays a substantial role in fashion. Understanding and applying it can make a world of difference in your style game. So, next time you're choosing an outfit, think about the color wheel and how you can use it to your advantage.